Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving right into how to use Airtable to plan your baby's first-year milestones. It's a smart and efficient tool that will help you keep track of all those special moments and developmental stages. Firstly, you'll need to sign up for an Airtable account if you don't already have one. It's free to use and only takes a minute to set up. The reason we do this is to get access to the application's powerful features, which we will be using to document your baby's journey. Once you're logged in, create a new base. Click on the Add a Base button, then select Start from Scratch. This helps us because it provides us with a clean slate to build our personalized baby milestone tracker. Next up, we'll be setting up our tables. For this guide, we'll create 3 tables: milestones, photos, and notes. In milestones, you can input dates and descriptions for each milestone your baby reaches. Photos can be used to store all those precious images, while notes can be your space for jotting down observations and memories. This way, everything related to your baby's first year is organized and easily accessible. Now let's customize our fields. In the Milestones table, create fields for milestone, date, and age. In the Photos table, have a photo, attachment field, and a date field. Finally, in the Notes table, create text fields for note and date. This step is crucial as it allows you to catalog your baby's progress in a structured manner. Now that we've done that, you can start filling in your tables. Under the Milestone field, enter the milestone, for example, first smile. In the Date field, input the date when it happened. In the Age field, put your baby's age at that time. Do this for all milestones. This is important because it helps you keep an accurate record of your baby's development, which can also be helpful for pediatrician visits. Remember to add photos and notes corresponding to these milestones. This will turn your Airtable base into a dynamic scrapbook of your baby's first year, filled with memories you can cherish forever. In conclusion, using Airtable to plan your baby's first-year milestones can be an enjoyable and meaningful way to document your little one's journey. Yes, it does require a bit of setup, but once you have that done, the result is a beautiful, organized, and interactive record of your baby's first year. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy parenting.